Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to learn how to spread what are the symptoms of the boot sector. In our last video we have done this topic. If you remember, if you have watched my video, please watch it and it's very beautiful. Now let's come to how does the boot virus spread. Boot sector computer virus are most commonly spread using a physical media. So media forces like in any virus, media force like to share the personal data or anything. So as infected floppy disk or USB drive connected to a computer will transport when the drive's VBR is read, then modify or replace the existing boot code. Now about antivirus. Antivirus is a kind of a software used to prevent, scan, detect and delete viruses from a computer. Once it's installed, most antivirus software runs automatically in the background to provide time protection against the virus attack. Now these are the some list of antivirus and please download only please do only one antivirus. It will hang your computer if you install more than one antivirus. So these are, you can see here, these are many antiviruses. Okay, now next we come to file virus. A file infector virus is a type of a virus that typically attach to executable code such as computer games and word processor. Once the virus has infected a file, it can spread to other programs and even into other networks that utilize the infected files to program. So in our laptop, this is the file, so it will go to other computer or desktop, then it will go other to other, and it's the file of our will be spread throughout the area. Now, prevention of a computer from virus attack. First, use antivirus software. Second, keep up-to-date antivirus. Regular scan your computer. Keep your web browser up to date. Don't click on the email links. Up-to-date operating system and security patch. Never download the software with a sites. Now there are more computer viruses. List of different viruses. So you can see in 1995 year of hacker, 1996 Boza stock, 1998 Strange Brew Back Office, 1999 Mozilla Corner, and 2000 Love Letter and Liberty DDoS, and 2001 and Gnome Logo Logic, and many more. 2002 LFM 926 Sharp ASQL Spider, etc. 2003 Sobic and Feather Blaster. Now Trojan XMOM MP3 concept, SIM Gabber, and many more things. Okay, so these are the viruses in different year. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my both videos, and I will bring such wonderful videos next time. Thank you.